Cornel here. Welcome to my Blooming Bakes channel. I've got super exciting news today. As you can see, I've got a different logo on my apron today. I'm launching a sub-brand to my bakery business called Piping Petals by Cornel, where I will be offering online tutorials teaching you how to pipe buttercream flowers and make cupcake bouquets. A lot of you have been asking for that, so I'm really excited to launch that business. Please see below this video links to my website and my other social media pages, and I'll play a little introduction video for you now. Enjoy! Hi everyone, I'm Cornel. Welcome to my Piping Petals online tutorials. I'm so excited to share my passion for piping buttercream flowers with you. Cupcake bouquets are a delicious and imaginative alternative to actual flowers, a brilliant choice for any celebration event and a perfect gift for any occasion. It's a centerpiece that can fit in with any color scheme you want to match, any theme you have in mind, and any mood you want to portray. I'm particularly excited about sharing my themed cupcake bouquets with you, which take an already impressive centerpiece to a whole new level. Think frogs, sheep, woodland creatures, fairies, and unicorns, dinosaurs, films, computer games. You can capture the interest of anyone, young and old, with stunning creatures and nature scenes. Please take a look at my Blooming Bakes YouTube channel for complimentary videos, including buttercream and cupcake recipes, and so much more. So without further ado, let's mix a blob of butter with a puff of icing sugar, and let's pipe some flowers.